1 button, 3 checkboxes. The user clicks. Which ones are checked? If you only know getElementById, you're stuck. Today, we unlock NodeLists, how JavaScript handles many things at once. Quick refresher. getElementById gives you one element, one dropdown, one checkbox, one button. You grab it, you read .value, done. Easy, because it's singular. But when you say querySelectorAll, all plural, JavaScript hands you back a node list, a collection. Every checkbox that matches, every checked box, every paragraph on the page, one variable, many things. So how do you grab one item out of the crowd? Index numbers. They start at 0. First item is 0, second is 1, third is 2. Call .item past the index. Boom, you've got that single element back. Need to know how many? Every node list has a length property, no loop required. Extras.length gives you the count instantly. Perfect for pricing, validation, or you picked too many. Now the magic move. For of, it walks through every node one at a time. Inside the loop, the variable is one checkbox. You read its value, add to a total, whatever you need. Clean, simple, no index math. Put it together, a pizza calculator. Base price from the dropdown. Loop through the checked extras. Add each value, return the total. That's real code, doing real work with a node list at its heart. Plot twist. Strings are lists too. Hello world has 12 characters. You can index into it. Message bracket 1 is the letter E. It has a length. And yes, you can for of a string, character by character. So the rule. Anytime you see square brackets with a length property, you can index it, count it, and loop it. Node lists, strings, and soon, arrays. Same 3 moves everywhere. If NodeList just clicked, drop the word listed in the comments, smash like, subscribe. Next episode, arrays, the mother of all lists. See you there.